Are you looking to get ahead of the competition and make a successful sale on StockX? StockX has become one of the largest online marketplaces, and it's growing every year. With the right strategies, you can become a power seller on the platform and make the most out of your investments. In this video, I'll be revealing some of the best-kept secrets for selling on StockX, so buckle up and get ready to learn. Donnie 1.0, a place for the world's brilliant ideas. Let's make it happen. The online marketplace StockX has been revolutionizing the way people buy and sell their favorite sneakers, streetwear, trading cards, collectibles, designer handbags, and other luxury items for the past few years, and it is all set to continue growing in popularity and relevance. For those who are looking to make a killing on StockX, here are some of the best tips and tricks to help you get ahead of the competition and maximize profits. Number 1. Analyze the market. Before you buy or sell anything on StockX, you need to analyze the market trends. The site provides you with red and green curves on any given page, so you can get an idea of whether or not the item is going up or down. By keeping tabs on these curves, you can make better decisions on when to buy or sell. Number 2. Set the right price. As far as pricing goes, it's important to understand the market and set the right price. You don't want to set your price so high that no one will buy it, but you also don't want to set it too low and miss out on potential profit. Keep an eye on the market prices for guidance. Number 3. Stay informed. Keep yourself up to date with the latest news on StockX. This way, you can better anticipate trends and price fluctuations. Plus, you'll be able to jump on any new releases or limited edition items before everyone else. Number 4. Use StockX bots. StockX bots are automated programs that can help you buy and sell items on the platform. You can set up the bot to buy or sell items at a certain price or time. This can save you a lot of time and effort and could potentially increase your profits. Number 5. Use shipping services. StockX provides shipping services for a fee. If you're selling multiple items, it may be more cost-effective to use their shipping services. This will save you time and money and make sure that your items arrive at their destination safely. By following these tips and tricks, you can make the most out of your StockX experience. That's it for now, guys. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss on future updates. Good luck and happy trading!